Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a double doughnut chart in the Excel software. Okay, this is the double doughnut chart. The single variable for the sample for the elemental analysis in the nutrient level. Okay, this is for the elements for the nutrients and the level of the present in the sample for the nutrients. Okay, this is a double Duncan donut chart. Now how to create it for the double donut chart in the Excel software. Okay, open the new sheet. The data already entered in the X sheet for the double donut chart. Okay, they select the data and go to the insert menu and go to the pie chart options. Okay, then select it for the donut chart. Okay, this is a single donut chart, but now the created for the double donut chart. Okay, the choose for the chat element, the click the plus symbol, then unclick for the chart title and the legend options. Okay, they select the data donut, control C and control V, then create it for the double donut chart. Okay, now the customized for the double donut chart in the Excel software. Okay, they select the first one the donut chart. Okay, then right click and open the format data series. Okay, this is a new tab open for the format data series. Okay, the donut exposition, the choose options, then the gap between for the donut. Okay, the donut hole size, use the 60 percentage of the donut hole size. Okay, the next one for the angle of the first cell, they use the rotation for the donut chart. Okay, then select the donut chart and click the right click, add a data label. Okay, the next one selected for the another one donut, select the data label, add it to the data label. Okay, then select the data, then format data series label, then enter the value and the show the later lines. Okay, then select the this one's donut chart, then select for the series name, then the category name, then unclick for the values. Okay, this is the first one donut for the element name, the next one donut for the level of present in the element for the samples. Okay, select the value, go to the home menu and change it to the font time Roman and size for the 12 and color for the black color, the bold option. Then next one for the element name, selected the level, then choose the time Roman font and size for the 12 and use the bold. Okay, they select the donut, go to the fill and line for the bucket symbol. Okay, then create a border, the border color change to the black and width to border increase to 1.5. Okay, then next one the donut selected, same the change to the color in the black and width increase to 1.5. Okay, then donut size increased, Okay, then 40 standard. Okay, now the change to the color for the donut chart. Okay, then individual color or selected the whole the color. Select the donut, go to the designing option, change to the color, like this one color, change to the color or change to the color. Okay, I select this color. Same the fill the border black and with 1.5. Zero. Okay. Add to the chart title. Sample elements. Select the sample title, change to the font and reach to 14. Okay, this is for the double doughnut chart in the Excel software. If you like this video, please click the subscription button and support to me. Join to the channel membership. Okay, this template upload our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link mentioned to the description box. If you any doubt, then work out this chart. The download the template in our Telegram channel. Okay, thank you for watching this video.